can't be good.
Well, yeah, but we specifically had response to the county.
Okay, sir. Server's on the way. It'll be there early tomorrow morning.
I'll be waiting on the package.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Let's open it up.
Hi, I'm Dane Vo, Director of Customer Support at DRB Systems. I'm sure that many of you can relate to the severity of the owner's issue. We tried to show you that we are here for you all hours of the day. Regarding downtime, it's simply not acceptable. Our weekday office hours are Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. But we understand that weekends are some of the busiest days at a car wash. So in addition to our weekday office hours, we have in-house staff on Saturdays and Sundays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also provide emergency assistance around the clock. You can expect that a representative will call you back within 10 minutes during non-office hours. We understand emergency situations, and our on-call technicians are senior level, having at least 5 years of experience. You expect all your calls to be answered quickly and efficiently. In a situation like the one in our video, it's imperative that your issue is attended to quickly. We answer 85% of all incoming calls in the first ring, 93% of incoming calls within 3 minutes, and 99% of incoming calls within 7 minutes. We have also incorporated as part of your support membership our loaner and swap equipment program. Our available loaner stock of key hardware components allows us to keep your business up as we repair your hardware. For those of you that are DRB Systems support members, we thank you very much for being our partner, and remember, we are here for you no matter what the situation may be. For those that are not DRB Systems support members, I hope you'll give us a call and let us show you all the reasons to be our support partner.